First time up that one this year. It's definitely dried out a lot more than the last time I was riding. The dirt is loose. Remember, first time it's going up and down this trail. It was bricky. This one gets hit so much by razors and side by sides. It's pretty loose. It's a good trail though. I like it. And trucks. You can see the truck ruts right here. We'll just blow through those. Whew. Blow through them. Whew. Feeling so tight. I need to loosen up a little bit. Loosen up a little bit. Catch a little air right there. Just plowed it. Just plowed into that thing. Let's try this hill again. That was better, a lot smoother. A lot of deflection on that hill. Lots of deflection right there. Go off. It's got to be one with the trail there, I guess. Let's try this one. Whew. It's pretty loose. Rutted out. I'm gonna try and go left or right here so I get a little better dirt. Back end's wanting to come around. Whew. Yeah. Let's just roll on through. Woohoo! Sorry, dude. I was getting ready to leave. I was like, I'm just gonna go ride. Excuse me. Watch out for cows. Yeah. You can come right through here. Too far, too far. Yeah, yeah. Oh, nice. Perfect.
You hit it more right than I did?
Yeah, I wanted to. I just tried to get a little lift off that.
Well, it's hard because like I knew it turned right.
I usually do it just like you do.
Like hard right, and so I kind of hit it maybe faster than I needed to.
Yeah, usually that's what I do is just go real high and then just do exactly what you did right there. Oh yeah, perfect.